Hi, my name's Robert Chelle, and I'm an attorney that assists physicians in getting better employment contracts without getting taken advantage of by their employer. One issue that comes up quite frequently is tail insurance. Not every physician has to pay for tail insurance, but many times the physician will. And so one discussion we have frequently is how to get out of paying for tail insurance. And so there are three ways you can get out of paying for tail insurance. One is the most obvious. Prior to signing the employment agreement, you negotiate with the employer to make certain that they will pay for your tail insurance. This is probably either the first or second priority for nearly every physician. For some in specialties where their tail insurance is prohibitively expensive, it's a huge issue. So first thing, negotiating in advance with your employer to make certain that they pay for tail insurance when the contract is ended. Second way of getting out of paying for tail insurance is getting your new employer to pay your old tail. That is called nose insurance. And so many look at it as kind of a quasi-signing bonus. Depending upon the cost of the tail, the new employer may or may not be willing to do so, but that's another way of getting out of having to pay for your tail. And the last and third one would be that if you stay with the same insurance company, then many times the insurance company will simply roll over your old policy into your new one with the new employer. For most people that work in hospitals or healthcare networks, that's impossible. Most of them are self-insured, and you're never going to have the same insurance company if you're going from one to another. If you're in a state and you're in like a private-owned physician group and a subspecialty, many times the same insurance company will give the majority of insurance plans to physicians in the same specialty. So you have a better chance of staying with the same company in a scenario like that versus moving from one hospital to another. So we have created a cheat sheet that you can download in the description below. And if you have any questions, please contact my office and take care.